Hi Wayne, how you doing?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
So it seems like you have a unlawful eviction problem,
Yes, I do.
and you reached out to me in August of this year, correct?
That is correct.
Now, how long have we been friends?
I have known you now for the past 6 years now.
Right. Through a mutual friend who introduced me to you.
That's right.
And we've been meeting on and off. And so when you first reached out to me for help here, did you tell me the name of the law firm that's involved?
No, I didn't. No.
Okay, it was about a week later after helping you out, I got to know that the law firm was Lawson Lundell.
That is correct.
Right. So I actually acted for you as an agent. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Now, because you have a speech impediment,
That's right. I do stutter, yes.
you stutter.
Yes.
And so sometimes you have to be very calm and collect, and then you can speak properly.
That's right, exactly.
Okay. And you also have a partial
Vision
problem with your eyesight, correct?
That is correct.
Right. So because of your difficulties, I decided to speak for you as your agent. And I'm not in the style of cause. I'm not living at your place. I'm not being evicted. I simply wanted to be your voice. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Right. So we went before Justice Lister, and she prevented me from speaking. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Now, this is a justice who I've not appeared before. And so I had a lot of issues with some justices, but it seems to me what's happening is they're preventing me from speaking because they're trying to perhaps conceal the issues that are known to the judges that should be known to the public.
That is correct.
Right.
Yes.
So, can you tell me a little bit about your unlawful eviction issue?
Yes. Okay. Well, it actually started back in it started back in May of this year. I got a phone call from the landlord's assistant saying that there's extensive damages done to the apartment, and they were blaming me for it, that I had nothing to do. I've been trying to reach out to the landlord for many years, and everything just fell on deaf ear. So, right.
So, can I just say that there was a leak in the unit, is that correct?
Yes.
And that leak was from where?
That leak was from the washer area.
Okay, so it was the washing machine that leaked?
That's right.
And they said it's a backflow problem?
They said it was a backflow that caused it, yes.
Okay, and who owns the washing machine that was leaking?
That would be the landlord.
Okay, and we have evidence confirming that the drum was not being emptied, and so the water ended up on the floor.
Exactly, that's exactly what happened.
Okay, so how much damage was caused from that spillage? Was there any damage?
There was absolutely no damage.
So basically, you would have got a mop or some towel and
Just to
cleaned it
mop
up?
Exactly, correct.
Okay, so there's minor damage from the washing machine leak. Was there any kitchen sink leak at all?
No kitchen sink leak, no.
Okay.
No, there wasn't.
So when you were going to the RTB, you gave some sort of evidence that there was some kind of continuous problems with drainage issues.
Yes.
That was a very casual comment. It wasn't like a major leakage. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Right. So was there any leakage at the kitchen unit?
There was no leakage at all in
Okay.
the kitchen unit, no.
So if we were to say that how much damage was caused to the gyprock, to the carpets, to the floors, what would you say your answer is?
Zero damage.
Right. But yet we have a restoration quote
Saying that the damages exceeded $22,000.
Right.
Yes.
So if there's no damage in the apartment, what do you feel is actually really happening here?
They are trying to force my insurance to pay for damage that I did not cause, and for their own negligence of why the apartment is the way it is.
Okay. How long have you been living there?
I have now been at this address for 14 years.
Has the previous landlord who owned the property ever renovated the place up for you?
That has neither, no.
So the new owner came, and that's your present landlord.
That is the present, yes.
And when did that person, we won't mention his name for now, when did he purchase that unit?
I believe in 2018 you're right, yeah.
Okay. Has the landlord carried out any repairs, improvements to the unit?
No repairs have been done.
Have you been contacting him?
I have been contacting him on numerous occasions.
Okay. So basically they are improving the unit, blaming you for that leak,
That's right.
which can't possibly be have caused by you.
No, it was
And
not for me. Yeah.
even if there was a backflow problem, there is no damage in the unit. Is that correct?
Absolutely no damages at all.
So this is why I've come up with a term. There are a number of terms used by RTB,
That's right.
such as rento eviction and demo eviction, but the term that I'm introducing for the first time is called Scamaviction.
That's exactly what
It's actually a scam, which is, I think, typically done by law firms like Lawson and Dell. I can say that for a fact.
That's right.
Because this is the same law firm that has stolen my funds in the Gateway proceedings, which I'll just mention by reference to Gateway.
Right.
So it seems that some of the justices may be unaware of what's really happening,
Right.
or they're possibly concealing the problem of lawyers.
That's exactly what I think is taking place.
And if I tell you now that I've filed complaints to the Law Society against these lawyers and not a single investigation has been done, would you be surprised?
I would not be surprised.
So, what would you like to say to the people out there?
What would I like to say? I would like to say that anybody at all that's in the same or in a similar situation as myself, you know, there's help. There's help out there. If you're an easy target, there's help. There's help. Many people don't know what their rights are. The rights are.
And so I've now received correspondence from a lawyer who's acting for the Attorney General, saying that he wants me to sign a consent order so that I don't enter into the court unless there's certain conditions, and those conditions are not favorable to myself or to you, because they're trying to prevent me, who can speak about the truth of what's going on, from coming to court. And so that's kind of almost equivalent to obstruction of justice. And there's going to be a strong worded letter going to that lawyer by the name of Michael K. I won't use his full name, but he needs to be given an opportunity, because I don't think he even knows what's going on.
Right.
So I'm going to be sending this video to some friends of mine, with your permission. Do I have your permission?
Yes, you have my strong permission. Yes, you do.
And hopefully we can get people who have gone through similar experiences to come forward.
Yes, come forward.
And basically help you, because it's all about injustice. It doesn't matter whether it's the medical tyranny or my professional license being taken away for a water tank failure, where the water tank wasn't even built. And so these scams which are taking place in this nation are extensive.
Yes.
And so we're gonna have to do something here, which is so many parties are involved, insurance companies are involved. So I'm gonna be preparing a consolidated complaint.
Okay. Yes.
Okay? And I'm gonna send that to my family as well,
Okay.
who basically hold my money effectively in trust.
Right.
And I don't want to cause any problems for them,
Right.
because they are actually victims themselves.
Right.
And this is how the game is played.
Okay.
And I think what truly is happening here needs to get out. And so with your permission, I will send that. Any closing words that you would like to send to any of the lawyers, you know, if you feel that they should need to stop here, maybe they can do the right thing.
Do the right thing and just do do the right thing, right? Yeah, just do.
So I'm going to be finding a lawyer for you. I'm going to do my best, even though I have many problems, to solve.
To find one.
I actually don't need lawyers to solve. All I need is access to the courts, and I don't have that access at the moment.
Right.
So, but I'm going to reach out to my family. I'm going to try and find a lawyer for you.
Okay.
I'm going to reach out to the freedom groups. And can I just say here that what's your background? What religion are you?
I am a Christian.
And I am a Sikh, correct?
Sikh.
So if people from different faiths can come together
Walks
and stand together, don't you think that's a great thing?
That is a good thing. Everyone needs to stand in solidarity and fight injustices wherever it's rears its head, which is what's being done right now.
Right.
Right. Yeah.
And also, you had a Court of Appeal lawyer. We won't mention the name here because we're still trying to resolve issues with that lawyer.
That's right.
But she has now withdrawn. Is that correct?
Yes, she has. Yes.
Okay. So that was through a pro bono.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So let's just get this message out to everybody. It's now about 11 minutes, this video.
Okay.
It's probably just right up to the limit of my videos, which are already posted. I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel.
YouTube, okay.
And hopefully help will come out.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Wayne, for speaking here.
Thank you very much.
The public really needs to know this, I think, right?
Yes, for sure.
And I think your mother, who's also staying with you of 84 years,
84 years old.
is traumatized at the moment.
Yes, she is traumatized.
And the other tenant is your son, who's
my son,
also
who is traumatized as well.
Okay.
The likelihood of being evicted.
Let's get you some help, Wayne.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it, Mr. Randawa.
You're welcome.
Right. Yes.
Bye.
Bye-bye.